In this version of the Warren Avenue top, we're going to do shirt length, an enclosed neckline, and sleeves. Before we sew, we need to press all of our hems up. You don't sew them right now, you just press them. What you're doing is creating a fold that your fabric will remember, and this will help you hem later on. Unfold your hem and lay your overshirt pieces right sides together. Lay your undershirt pieces right sides together, and fold your sleeve in half, lining up the sides. Next, we're going to go over to our sewing machine and we will sew all our shoulder seams and our side seams. So we'll sew from here to here, 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 and here to here. I'm at my sewing machine and I'm going to sew as many pieces as possible because this is an efficient way to get done with our project quickly. Now you're going to fold all your hems back up and sew them. You'll sew them using either your cover stitch machine or a stretch stitch on your sewing machine. After you've done that, we're going to sew the neckline. This is an enclosed neckline. If you're doing a neckband, there's a different tutorial to show you how to do that. But for this one, we're going to take the overshirt right side out and we're going to insert it into the undershirt. We're going to line the fronts up, the shoulder seams up, and the backs up. The shoulder seam for the overshirt should go towards the back. The shoulder seam for the undershirt should go towards the front. Next, we'll go over to the sewing machine and we will sew all the way around. Here we are at the serger and I'm going to sew my enclosed neckline. Now that our neckline is sewn, we'll turn our shirt right side out. We're going to insert our sleeves and sew those on for our final steps. Turn your sleeve right side out. Lay them flat at the seam and find the opposite side of the seam on the sleeve cap and mark it with a pin.
Next, take your shirt
and turn it inside out. Insert one of your sleeves inside of the shirt. Line up the side seams with the side seam of your sleeve. Make sure to stagger your seams so that the seam is not so bulky. Line up the top of the sleeve with the shoulder seams of the shirt. Make sure your seams are going the correct way. Repeat on the other sleeve. With our sleeves clipped in place, we'll go over to the sewing machine and sew. Here I'm at my serger and I'm going to sew the sleeves on. I'm going to start sewing at the side seam of the shirt. And with that, This version of the Warren Avenue is finished. The Warren Avenue top comes with so many different options that once you learn how to do each option, you can mix and match those options to create totally new and different looks. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial.